Business English pronunciation, eh. Today we are learning how to pronounce two important vowel sounds in business English. For man, for men. To be seen in business phrases. Here are examples. Staff, step. The staff will take a step towards their new goal. Plan, pen. Let's plan the project and sign with this pen. Track and trek. We need to track the progress, not trek with it aimlessly. Pat, pet. Give a pat on the back for their pet project. Flash, flesh. Use a flash drive. Let's flush out the details. Tack, tech. Change tack if the tech sector shifts. Mat, met. Lay out the mat for the client you met. Repeat after me. Here are these pronunciations to compare. Track, trek, plan, pen. The business sentences with clear vowel contrast. We need to track the data, not trek through irrelevant details. Let's plan the project with this pen. You will see and use the minimum pairs like track and trek to focus on pronunciation differences and practice in real business sentences. Follow us for more content.